Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto in Exodus Wallet. First, open your Exodus Wallet application on your device. Navigate to the Buy Crypto section, usually found in the main interface or through a dedicated tab. Here, you will see various options for purchasing digital assets directly within the wallet. This integrated feature simplifies the process, allowing you to acquire cryptocurrency without leaving your secure wallet environment. Next, you'll need to select a third-party exchange provider from the available options. Exodus partners with several reputable services to facilitate these transactions. After choosing your provider, you'll specify the fiat currency you wish to use, such as US dollars or euros. Then, select your preferred payment method, which often includes bank transfers, credit cards, or debit cards. Be sure to review any associated fees and minimum purchase requirements before proceeding. Now, input the exact amount of cryptocurrency you want to buy or the fiat amount you wish to spend. The system will automatically calculate the equivalent value based on current market rates. Carefully review all the transaction details presented, including the total cost, any service fees, and the final amount of crypto you will receive. Once you are satisfied with the information, confirm your purchase. Your newly acquired cryptocurrency will then be deposited directly into your Exodus wallet. Finally, always prioritize security when buying crypto. Double-check all transaction details before confirming to prevent errors. Remember to keep your Exodus wallet secure by using strong, unique passwords and safeguarding your 12-word recovery phrase. Never share this phrase with anyone. For more helpful tips and to explore other great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, make sure to check the description below this video. Happy investing, and stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.